Can you see this? What? It's fine. That's been better. Usually I'm been.
It's a TK, can we get it?
Oh my god, you need to shower again. That's the name.
I told you to stay at the DH.
For once, Trevor, for once you've not listened, Trevor has not paid off. Us guys, this is not it. Can you see this? And my pants are so wet.
You're still snapping. It's crazy.
Hey guys, welcome to a vlog.
You were saying, come on.
You wanna be in my vlog? Ah, wait, the angle.
What did Naango say?
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog.
You can. Oh.
That's what I said.
No, I just finished recording.
No, I'm done.
Oh, Naango said you can sit on my lap. Then the cab driver was like, it's fine. You can sit on mine. Or do you wanna drive? Did you hear that?
Oh yeah. So this was the situation at my friend's place. We were actually together because we needed to go to the faculty officer to sort out some things, and we were not prepared for the rain at all, so we quickly had to come back and change. I live close by, so yeah. Who is that? Okay, so we're walking to campus because we have to visit our faculty officer who bailed on us earlier, so now we're going back. And I'm with my friends. That's Chikoma. She's hiding under her jacket. Then we have Trevor and Natalie. So yeah. Okay, let me show you guys how it is. But Slay, at least you ate.
Yeah, you think you're looking water, what?
No, I'm trying to get content for my YouTube channel.
She's watching a shoot.
Oh, she's watching.
Natalia is not serious. So we made it to campus, and I honestly think no one was prepared for the rain because we were not dressed for the occasion at all. Luckily, we live close to campus. So yeah, we just made it onto campus, and I'll just continue talking to y'all like now.
But the answer to it took me 2 minutes to say it. When I did, I actually answered the wrong thing. I was supposed to look at what? 17, 18, minus. People in high school.
You're going to come to us and we expect you to be driving.
You see? So me, that's how it was tough for some.
So we're going back home because the faculty officer is too busy. Like, he has a long line. He has a long line of people, and we're just gonna come back tomorrow at 8 a.m. because hopefully he's empty then. This is happening again. Okay, so we're here to get some food. So we just got our food. This is like 20 bucks. It's so nice. Period. Everyone has their own food. She is already eating her food. We made it back to my friend's place, and honestly, the rain did not stop, and this was the situation. We made it to my friend's house.
I think I know the thing that will make me rich.
You sound like a tate.
Because of a dream.
All the girls we needed. Who is... Also, I'm home alone now because everyone going to working class. So I'm just here to get my tablet because I'm watching New Amsterdam, and it's such a good series. Like, I was kind of shy, not shy, but like I didn't want to. I've been delaying watching New Amsterdam, but I cried from the very first episode, and I feel like I've been getting emotional. We're in her house.
Which place? How far are you?
I am 2 houses.
Please.
It's fine. It's been better. Usually I'm been.
Which pole are you talking about?
Shut up.
The red one was.
Yeah, the red one.
Trevor, which other polo do you? Trevor, how you do the spoon?
Trevor.
You would hit me with a spoon if it was actually a pole. It's a golf.
Trevor, just put your brother here.
It's a
Polo
golf.
golf. GTI VW, that one.
Polo and golf are not the same thing.
What's a polo then?
A polo is like the color drop test at thingy.
Let's have a V and a W.
Yes, the
It's a
Volkswagen.
polo. Leave me alone. Exactly.
I'm joking. Just it's fine. Huh? I'll eat bread. Yeah, how did you know I have prices?
Say thank you.
Sante sana.
This is lunch. This is not dinner and lunch. I think that's why like we're not here to feed you for the next 5 days.
Yeah, you eat for 2 meals.
Wait, bring your plate.
This was the next day, and I was trying to film a really good like shower routine, but girl, I was in a hurry. Like, I have a 7:30 on Wednesdays, so there wasn't really time to film enough content. Yeah. Also, I'm gonna show you guys my new skincare routine. It's this one. The cleanser I use is CeraVe. So this is the moisturizer, toner, and serum. So yeah. Good morning, guys. I'm trying to not make it obvious that I'm actually talking to you guys, but I'm walking to landscape to my friends because we walk together. Yeah, it's a little cold. Yeah. Yeah.
No, they know. No.
Oh, they know.
Now you go.
This point in my space.
Even go test out and bring it back. Ellen Road. You go test out gowns, dresses, take photos and bring it back. Can we get it back?
Mr. TK, can we get it? Trevor can confirm, can we get it? Okay. When you come back,
I feel like I spend so much time with my friends. But anyway, this is us on Thursday. We went shopping. My friends needed to get something, and I was just with them like as a +1.
yeah, exactly. It's amazing. You should try it.
Yeah, I want to try them also.
Maybe.
Yeah, it's on my vlog, and it's fine.
215 million and
I actually picked that one, to be honest. I actually picked it. I was giving my box like.
It's in the fridge.
I said you can see it.